Yeah, so at this current moment right now, what Jake is doing, he's cleaning the screw of rust. So basically what he was doing, he was cleaning the screws of rust. Brand new, yeah. And he getting ready to show us how the brakes really supposed to be put on right. Them springs look different than those. This one?
That's because that one is one that goes on this side.
Oh, okay.
These ones were completely missing.
Right. So basically, when Jake looked at the brakes that was previously on, which is these, he told me these springs here was missing, and we only had the spring for the front side. So these was
fall out.
Yeah, you said it was about to fall out?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Crazy. So these two was missing. He was able to lift this up with his hand and pull it out a little bit. Brand new drum. There we go. Brand new, yeah. So since I got the brakes done all at one time and the drums, that's a better record because it's easier to keep up with instead of trying to remember, or make sure you have like a book where you keep track of all your maintenance, what you got done, when you got it done, dates, oil you change, and everything like that. And this is the old drum. You can see it's rusty. Man, like when I drive and I hit the brakes, man, sometimes I feel the difference. I know when I'm like, yo, something ain't right. And when Jake told me, he said, anytime you go in the shop, just have them look at your brakes real quick. That's it. 5-10 minutes. So just have them look at it and make sure everything is good to go. And I'm glad I came in here and got it done. I'm so happy I got brand new brake drums now. Oh man. More peace of mind. Making sure he get the rust off. Exclusive behind the scenes, only with your boy Sinister, man. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up so others can see this video in the recommended list on YouTube. Got a few more things to do on the truck. I'll be good with the repairs. So that's the passenger side back axle done right here. So we're gonna go ahead on the driver's side and get the driver's side taken off. take this side off, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. When he take this side off, we're gonna see what we find over here. So once he take this side off, we're gonna see what everything is looking like. So I got getting the front brakes done. All the brakes back here is done, and all the drums done. You can tell my drum is old, they original. Look at that rust. Yeah, that's old. They rusty. That's why it's important to take care of your money maker. Because if you don't, you're going to be down losing money with your maker. With your money maker. Your money maker going to be down, you're going to be losing money. So he's adjusting my brakes over here. So, I'm like the only one in the shop anyway. Well, that truck over there, but